Getting the tires aired up to move the trailer out of my spot here. This is the last day I'm spending on the LTVA for this season. Well, at least the long term. I may hang down at La Rosa South for a couple of weeks at a time before June. Well, actually before May, middle of May. I'll remote camp. I'll kind of disperse camp with my car and a tent. But so I got the tires aired up and got my emergency lighting on because my car doesn't have a 5 or 7 pin towing light connector. Oh, that's what I'm doing today. It's a moving day, flat tire for the Santa Fe 18-foot trailer. Went and aired it up. And I had the pressure right, left. Noticed everything leaning real bad. Sure enough, she was dead flat. Go into town, replace that tire, see what happens. Something to do on the last day out here on the LTVA. Got the 12-ton bottle jack. Tires, when it was flat, it was fairly easy to get it out of there, but now that I have the new tire on it, I'm gonna have to dig this area out here in order to get that tire to fit in that spot, because that's about as almost maxed out the jack height. All right, here we go. Okay, I dug the little hole, got the tire on, tightened down. It's a little tougher than I thought it was going to be. Shovel work, damn near 100-degree day. Fun all around. So that's it, camping fans. I'm off the LTVA and at my storage lot. I got everything ready to go off disperse camping out in the mountains and hanging out at the national forests. But I'm not gonna do that yet because it's way too cold up in the mountains still. But there we are, tucked away. Take care.